They say, oh, I'm not too sure what it is, boy, but I know I like feeling this way. Hey, ooh. You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth, we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Like that. But I love it when you say it like that. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love it.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. I literally just woke up from sleep. I woke up, washed my teeth like you saw in the clips. Today is Sunday. I want to do some organizing. It's currently 10 o'clock. I woke up, it's not 10 o'clock, but it's almost 10. I think 9:30, something like that. Yeah, I didn't go to church today. But today is Sunday. I want to do some organizing. As you can see, this chair right here needs some decluttering. I need to know what is there because I'm looking for some of my stuff. And this past week I was just on the go. I haven't had time to actually sit in my room or sit in the house. Even if I try to sit down and watch movies with my sister, I'll just sleep off in the next 10 minutes. But anyways, today is Sunday. I'm going to try to do some cleaning, just a little tiny bit, because at 2 o'clock I need to get out of the house. I have a massage session. So at 4 o'clock today I have a massage session. I am excited for that. God, I am really excited for that. So I need to do some, if I don't do anything today, I need to arrange that chair. I need to arrange that chair. And I also need to arrange some clothes on the floor there as well. I don't know if you guys can see those clothes there. Yeah, I need to arrange this and that, and then hopefully this whole week I'll be doing my laundry in bits and pieces.
It's they all say, yo, y'all say they lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like boy, man, I'm Rambo with the yo. I'm Billy Rick like John Jack, I'm Camo with the yo. These thoughts can't clock me nowadays. You wish I was no pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to go around and give you good karma, but no. We escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, run around in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Looking this good, and I wouldn't change it if I could.
Ready to go for my massage, and guess what? I cleared that place. Woohoo! So this place is looking all good. My laptop bag is on the floor. So I cleared that place, but I didn't clear this place. I'm not even going to lie. I did not clear this. I'll probably do that when I come back. I'm wearing this blue dress. This is one of my oldest dress. I bought it since I was in Ghana. But yeah, that's it. I don't know why I'm feeling the need to pimp my room. I need to like pimp my room. Like that place is not even giving at all. You see this place? This is like, I hate it. And all the sides, they're not giving at all. My sister's room, everybody knows the Kiri's room is given. But my room is just
I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless, ladies. Tell them say it's so good. It's so good.
And it was amazing. It was so good, so good. Let me give you guys a tour of this bathroom.
Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, but then you go again.
I had a massage. Ooh, it was amazing. Like, oh god. So right now, this morning, I just finished having breakfast. I am on my way to work. Work has been kicking my ass lately. I'm never going to lie, but I know that God is with me. I'm on my way to work, but before work, I have one client at 2:30. One of that person counts. Well, I have one client at 2:30, but before that, I'm going to get some makeup stuff, just like maybe 3 to 4 items from Msmetics. Like Msmetics, they're close to me, but I have never gone in store before, so I'm going to go into their store today. And yeah, get like I'm excited for there are 2 sprays. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about later in the video. I came by myself because I used to order it online, but really, honestly, I really don't understand. So that's why I came. So I will explain. I want these 2 things. Yes, but I want primer as well. I have people stuff in that is not meant to say, okay, I have it. Just this new one that I don't have, and I'm not ready. I have number 000008. Finished with a client, but I am currently waiting for the traffic to die down. I am eating, and I am also watching a YouTube video, and I am also editing a YouTube video. See, I'm just like all over the place. I just wanted to quickly come and show you guys what I got from Msmetics. So let me show you guys. I don't know why I'm excited because I use their product, so I really don't know why I'm excited. But the main reason why I'm actually excited is for these 2. I just finished with a client, so I used this one for her because I could not wait. So I got this 2. It came like this. So I got it from Msmetics. This is the Sealowatt sprays. So this is the velvet finish, and this is the matte finish. I got them for 8,500. These 2. Just imagine, like. Still. And I also got this Aqua grip primer. I'm excited for this one because I've never gotten the big one before. Let me open it so you guys can see. I know you guys know what it looks like, but let me still show you. It is so big. Look at it. It is so big. It is how many ml? 50 ml. Like, I love it. This is the water jelly primer. This is the matte finish. This is the one I always use because I wanted to actually know the difference between this one and the other one. That one is for, I've forgotten what she said, but this is the matte finish, and I really love this. So that's all I got from Msmetics, and they were kind enough, very kind enough to give me a moisturizer. Wow, I was shook. Like, I was honestly shook. I was not even going to lie. Like, yes, we get freebies and stuff like when you buy stuff, but so a whole moisturizer. I was like, okay, why I was actually happy was because I wanted to buy a moisturizer, but like, you know what, like, I don't want to like go above my budget. So, and then she was like, oh, I have a free gift for you. I was like, so she gave me this moisturizer. I've never had this one before. I've had the other one before. I've never had this one before. This one has SPF SPF 50 plus in it, so I was really happy when she gave it to me. I'm never going to lie. I told her thank you. Another thing I got that I'm really happy about is this Merak powder. This Merak powder is by Lifa Beauty. I already used it, but the person I used it on, she didn't really stay well. She was tearing up, so I couldn't tell like if the powder was good enough for me. But the powder looks very good. So this Merak powder, I got it in the shade Ginger. This is the one that everybody keeps like raving about, so I was like, you know what, let me get it myself. So I got that in the shade Ginger. And normal stuff, I got makeup fix spray. I use this one like water because this is very affordable. This is like $2.5 I guess, so I use this. I bought this one as well, the makeup kit spray. I also bought some beauty line pencils. This is a must-have in everybody's collection. I'm already using this one. This one is not opened yet, so so these are all the makeup products I got today, and I'm really happy I got them, especially these two. I'm so happy about this too. So this is the view from the presidential suite. What is it called? From their whole suite.
No, this is not the suite. This is city view something.
Which city? Oh, in the city view actually. Actually the city.
The one we chose was Passion.
Anyhow, it's only 5 seconds I will need.
That's right in front of
Okay, and this is ours. I already made that at home. I'll scatter everywhere. And this is the view. Ah! Let me reduce the thing. I think I cannot see anymore, sir. Cause the way I strain my eyes these days, brotherly. Like I'm getting old. We only getting older, baby.
I bought this for them.
I buy for me now. I want tripod. Like I really want tripod. There's one tripod that everybody has now. There's one tripod that everybody has that I want as well.
When everybody comes, go sit down and watch up on bed, float down. Okay.
There's one tripod that everybody has. My tripod, I don't have this tripod, but I came with my camera now to school.
The girls are here!
Hey guys, I am currently lodged at Landmark Towers. Today is my sister's birthday, the last child of the family. So we are lodged at Landmark Towers. It's close to the beach, Landmark Beach of course. That's why we are lodged here actually. So we just want to go explore the beach. The plan is to go jet skiing. That's why we actually came, but that's one of the reasons we came, to go jet skiing and also see if we can do like a couple of activities on the beach and just like have a good time. We wanted to go to Lighthouse, but Lighthouse was fully booked, so we couldn't go to Lighthouse. So this was the small option we could find. I think we chose the wrong one. We should have gone to the resort. The resort is just somewhere down there. I think where those red containers are, you guys can see it from there, from here. Where those, see, yeah, I think that's the resort. So I think we should have gone to the resort, but I think we just booked wrongly. I just wanted to come out on the 12th, so that's why we are here. Anyways, let's go to the beach. So guys, we went to the jet ski bay, but they have only one boat. Only one what? Boat in Nigeria. Only one boat. One. Anyways, I said we should come back tomorrow, but since we're lodged there, we don't mind. We'll come back tomorrow, of course. Now we're looking for food, and we stopped at Sub. Me, I don't want to eat Sub, but I'm craving KFC double finger burger. That's what I want to eat. So, guys, we just got back to the hotel room. So basically, these people had only one skiing boat, just one. Imagine one for the whole of Lagos. So they said we should come back tomorrow at 10. Luckily, we are lodged here, so we can always go back tomorrow. Now we are currently on our way to HILDA BACI's cookout. HILDA BACI's COOK-A-THON. If you don't know who HILDA BACI is, go to Instagram and look for HILDA BACI. She cooks. So we're going to try free food. What is this? What? Alright guys, I'm back in the room now, so let me go shower. Overall, my stay at the landmark tower was amazing, like amazing. This is one of the best days, or this is one of the best places I've stayed in Lagos. Like, it was. I'll be back.